just had a Raptor X come in. I reckon let's do a video.
Morning, Buns. Let's do it, baby. Let's go.
Yo, let's mic you up.
Beautiful. Let's do it. Morning, guys. Welcome to Auto Craze once again. We've got J. Cole playing in the background. We're down here. Silverwater, Sydney represent. We've got Rangers here galore, and I've got a Navara. But this time, I've got a new car, to Raptor X. Now, you're wondering what a Raptor X is? It's a Ford Raptor with a bit of stickers and a bit of this and a bit of that, but we're going to go above and beyond for this. We're going to be doing something a little bit different. If you want to come through, and I'll show you what this Raptor X is all about. So people are asking why Raptor X, what's the difference? Now, the difference is everything's blacked out, from the badges, to the handles, to the rebar. It's also got this nice carbon fiber finish to it. My favourite part is this part here. Now, the grill's blacked out. And the bar's also blacked out, but the bar does not matter because we're going to be putting a new bar on it. It's not a Hamer bar, it's not an off-road animal bar. It's an SLX bar. This time we're going to be doing something a little bit different. So what we've got here is we've also got the decal over there, bro. Finished it off very, very nicely. But this is a massive shout out to Ford. Congratulations. You built a beautiful car, but it's not built the Auto Craze way. So what we're going to be doing, an SLX bar. We're going to powder coat the bash plate red to match the red accent to it. We're also going to be doing the King Springs powder coated red. We're also going to be doing the P43R HSP Australian made roller shutter. We're also going to put a light bar behind the grille. We're also going to be doing new wheels and tyres. This time we're going with the Elite Off-Road Chaos wheels. These are going to be gloss black with the red finish to it. Wrapping up with the Nitto Ridge grapplers. We're also tying in some T-Max E-boards electrical side steps. Jason is going to be introducing something a little bit different. Now this thing here is going to be a shitload of lights. We're going to light it up like it's the 4th of July. We don't celebrate 4th of July, eh? It's an American thing, eh? Anyway, don't worry, man. Down here in Australia, it's 4th of July every single day. We're going to be giving the RGB steady lights. Red, it's going to finish off. This review is going to be at night time, so stay tuned, you mother functions.
Good morning, guys. As you've seen Bruno working on the rear end of the Raptor. He just finished the smoke tail lights. And now we're moving on to the roller shutter. The customer came in with his own sports bar, and now we've taken the sports bar off and we're going to mount it to the HSP roller shutter. Now all these HSP roller shutters, they're sports bar compatible, so we don't need to drill any holes, we just bolt it straight on. This product is Australian made. It's 95% waterproof and very, very secure, very hard to break into from the back. Once it's on the car, we'll show you how hard it is to actually open it. Also, the HSP roller shutters, the new ones now, they come out with this receiver can connect to your phone, so your iPhone or your Android, and you just speak to it through the app. Once you sync it up, you just say, hey Siri, open roller shutter, and he opens. Hey Siri, close roller shutter, and he closes. And you can turn the lights on and off through your voice, through the phone. So now we're going to get this roller shutter onto the car, so stay tuned.
Fucking Auto Craze balls, brother. We got balls. Red balls.
Oh, has it got the red thing over it?
Yeah, it's still got the red thing.
Oh my gosh.
So Frida's here to pick up her Raptor. She dropped it off last week. It's done. It's finished. Are you excited?
Yeah, I am.
Or are you a bit nervous?
Well, your reputation's all on this, Mo.
Is it?
Yeah, because
So-
you've got this awesome reputation of being Mo the Magnificent.
Yeah, you reckon?
Yeah, so here it is.
So shout out to the boys in the workshop. And shout out to all the people that helped us put this together. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you, David, for helping us out. You guys know exactly who you are. She doesn't know what she got on the car, right?
No, I don't.
So I just told her to give me the keys and see you later,
Yeah.
which she did. Are you ready?
Yeah, I am.
Musti?
Should we have a cuddle?
Yeah, bloody hell! Oh, good. What do you reckon?
Oh, look at it.
Look at it.
I know.
Look at it!
I know.
Look at the wheels! Wait till you see this, then you're gonna be like, what? Musti, hit the lights.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. That is awesome.
Now this is the other thing I wanted to show you too. Where's your phone? I want you to say these words.
Yes.
Hey Siri, open roller shutter in your voice to your phone.
Hey Siri, can you please open the roller cover?
Alright, now say, hey Siri, close roller cover.
Hey Siri, close roller cover.
The shit or what?
Thanks, Siri.
Look at the front. Look at that. Go to the front. Do you want to say anything to the camera? Like, there's gonna be about probably about 1 million people seeing this video.
Can I tell them that I love you?
Yeah, you can tell them that.
I love you, Mo, for what you've done.
We
And
love
all
you.
the boys.
And all the boys.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
all the boys. Can I get a hoorah?
Hoorah.
Thanks guys, Raptor's finally done, dusted. What are we gonna name this video? I wanna name it something.
After the car.
Raptor X?
No, the Black Beast.
The Black Beast? The Black Beast it is then. Thank you very much.